Hello, today I'll be talking about chapters 14 and 15 of the data management body of knowledge. Chapter 14 is dealing with big data and data science, whereas chapter 15 will be covering data management, a data management maturity assessment. So chapter 14 goes over dynamic landscape of big data and data science. These terms are very common in this field, and sometimes they're a little bit confused because you need to extract very valuable insights using the advanced analytical techniques. And it's very important for data scientists when they're considering the different ethical considerations surrounding machine learning and there are different points of challenges with providing big data. And through data mining and predictive analytics and data visualization, an organization is able to use the big data in order to drive their innovation and optimize their operations while enhancing their decision making. In chapter 15, the book was covering the capability maturity assessment, which is a part of the data management maturity assessment. And this model utilizes something called the capability maturity model, which is used to gauge process evolution, and it's used to aid in evaluating and improving data management practices while also keeping regulatory compliance and factoring in organizational change. Completing a data management maturity assessment involves, in order to plan it, you have to decide what exact objectives that you're wanting to complete, and you have to decide which framework that you're going to be following, while also deciding your organization's scope of what they're willing to go through and what is off limits. And you also have to outline the different interactions that you're going to allow for this assessment. And you also need to be really effective with your communication with the stakeholders because it's a really crucial part of the assessment process. And you need to make sure that they understand the rules of engagement that you have. And you need to use different collaboration tools and knowledge management repositories because these can help give different examples of how to do the assessment and what parts that they'll need to play in the assessment. So like I said, doing a data management maturity assessment does require that you pick a framework. One of the examples that the book gives is actually the data management body of knowledge. And you can use that framework specifically. And this will be based on different criteria like the accessibility, comprehensiveness, and the industry relevance. And this structured approach will allow you to have a checklist that can identify the areas that you need to improve. And you can also benefit the large community of knowledge professionals. You can benefit from that large community. In conclusion, chapters 14 and 15 covered the different assessments and the proper harnessing of big data science, and the capability and maturity assessment, and the data management maturity assessment. And these are very important for data management. And if you embrace these principles and these practices, an organization is able to unlock the full potential of its data assets, and it's able to drive its innovation, make better plans, and have a greater reach to their strategic objectives in their data-driven world.